and this will be your living area where you can place your sofas. In the kitchen, you will get two parallel platforms. Over here, you can place your king-size bed along with the... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat shoot of the residential project Urban Grandeur by Claro Realty located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, just above which is an actual building. You can see the construction of the tower is in full swing. This over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre with a standalone tower that has ground plus first floor commercial units plus 4 level of 4DMs plus 5th level of amenities, then 24 residential floors having 2 BHK residences and also Jodis are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with splash pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, jogging track, yoga center, stargazing zone, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kanakya Road, Mira Road, from where Mira Road railway station is only 10 minutes drive, upcoming metro station is only 5 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is also at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and school, colleges and hospital is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Urban Grandeur. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 714 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this foyer area. And to the left of the entrance, we have the kitchen space. In the kitchen, you will get two parallel platforms. One side you will get a full platform and one side you will get half platform. You will get the lower cabinets provided and you will customize your upper cabinets. Besides the half platform, on both the sides you have place to place your washing machine and your refrigerator as well. You will also get full French windows with a dryer area in the kitchen. In this corner, you can place your refrigerator. Moving forward, this will be your spacious living and dining area. This will be your dining corner where you can place your dining table of 4 to 6 people to enjoy mealtime with your family. And this will be your living area where you can place your sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit. You will also get full French windows in the living with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs, enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, this will be your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and your common washroom. First, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your bed, side tables and customize your wardrobes. And you will also get 3/4 size French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Right opposite to the common bedroom, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tools, give you actual location tools. We tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing, including EMI and down payment plan. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let me show you the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see your bedroom is very spacious And on the left of the entrance, you have space to customize your wardrobe. The wardrobe space given is inside the wall that gives your bedroom a big look. Over here, you can place a king-size bed along with the side table, and you will still have plenty of walkable space as bedroom is very spacious. You will get half-size French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Urban Grandeur. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.